What's up guys? My name's Ernst and this is Cre8tive Juice, where you can learn the best tips, tricks, tools and techniques for becoming a better creative professional. That means everything from the basics like principles and elements of art and design, to color theory, to tutorials, all the way through to the mindsets and habits that lead to amazingly creative work. We also cover the most important resources for creatives like books, tech, software, and where to find ideas and inspiration. We release our videos once, sometimes twice a week, and the only prerequisite for getting something out is to come with an open mindset, because we're talking about developing skills that take time, patience, and effort. We do all this because we want to see you succeed. We want to see you grow into a skilled and talented creative. So, if you'd like to see more of us, and you'd like to see our videos show up on your homepage every time we release a new one, go ahead and subscribe now, and you'll be notified every single time we bring out a new video. If you're unsure about where to start, go ahead and click this video right here. It's a great example of what we do. We're so happy to see you on our channel. Hope you subscribe, engage with us in the comments below, and let us know what you're working on, and also about any videos that you would like to see. I'll be looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Until then, stay inspired and keep those creative juices flowing.